Guys, welcome back to Chef Mooney, coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a beautiful chicken and leek pie. Very simple ingredients, let's get cooking. I've got 2 leeks here which I've just roughly chopped and I've washed very well and drained them. I'm going to be using some lemon thyme. I'm going to use some spring onions, probably about a half a cup. I'm going to use some fresh parsley, seasoned with salt and pepper. We're going to use about a tablespoon of flour, tablespoon of butter, a splash of olive oil. We've got some egg wash here, which I'm going to use to glaze over the top. A couple of sheets of puff pastry. I'll show you what to do with those later. I've got a couple of these little fancy little fluty cutters, which we're going to do a little bit of a garnish on there. And we're going to seal the seam, because I'm going to join 2 pieces of puff pastry together. I've got some beautiful homemade chicken stock. Now I'm also going to use a half a cup of smoky bacon, which I've diced. That's going to take it to the next level, give it an extra layer of flavour. It's going to be delicious. I've got 2 chicken breasts here which I have just roughly chopped up, and you're going to need a casserole dish to put everything in, or a pie dish. Make sure that it's oven safe. Let's start off with a good lug of olive oil in the bottom of the pan there. Okay, the pan is nice and hot. In with our bacon, in with your leeks. I'm going to place the lid on the top and just let that sweat slowly now for about 5 minutes, 6 minutes. See how we go from there. Now as it's cooking, just give it a gentle shake every now and again, just to sort of make sure that nothing is sticking. Leave the lid on, so you want to capture that steam in there. It's going to add a little bit more sort of moisture back into those leeks, get them cooking a little bit better. You can see all the droplets of steam dropping back into the liquid there, and you can see that all those little droplets of water are dropping back into the leeks. Kind of got that nice sealed lid on there, which is going to be making it not so dry. A tablespoon of butter, and just push those leeks to the edge of the pan. Just drop our chicken into the center. I'm not going to add salt, but I will add some pepper. At this stage we're going to add our flour. Now it's important to cook this out, because what you don't want is that sort of floury flavour. Alright, so that's had a couple of minutes now. It's time to add the stock. I've got about a cup and a half of stock here. Just add a little bit to start with and see where you're at. We'll now add the rest of the stock. In with our spring onions, beautiful fresh lemon thyme, and I'm going to add some chopped parsley. This I didn't put into the recipe. It is optional, you do not have to do this, but maybe just like a couple of tablespoons of thickened cream to the sauce, and just mix that through. And as you can see, now it's got that lovely beautiful consistency. But you're going to pour this into our pie dish. This is enough here for 4 people, and then just even out the chicken, so you've got a good combination there of chicken to leek. Okay, so the filling is all done. I've got a couple of sheets of puff pastry. You may only need 1 sheet depending on the size of your casserole dish, but I'm going to show you something that I do. I'm going to use 2 sheets of puff pastry, and with my egg wash I'm just going to run it across the seam here, just 1, and then I want to glue this together. Just push it down. It's going to extend my puff pastry size because it's not going to fit. 1 sheet will not fit this. So now what I'm going to do is just pop it over with the seam right down the middle. I've got to work quite fast now because the filling is getting hot. So I'm just going to trim off these edges here like a triangle. Trim this off. We're going to use those as well. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to crimp it in. Just twist it and crimp it in. You don't have to be too fancy with this. We are going for the rustic look. Now I've got this seam down the middle there. That seam right down the middle. Here's how we're going to fix that. First of all, I'm going to brush the whole pie with my egg wash. Just 1 beaten egg. We've got our offcuts of pastry here. And of course we've got some cutters. You can use any shape you like. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut some little ones here. One. I'll just put them right on top of the seam. And one little one. And you can be as creative as you like. You can make little flowers out of it and little stems and so on. If you want to brush the tops of your little shapes that you've done. Just want to put a little mark here in the center of the pie just to let some of that steam out. Let's get it into the oven. Well, it has come out of the oven. I just want to show you, it looks absolutely delicious. Sort of piping hot, nice crunchy top. So I've got my sauteed potatoes with green beans, a little bit of that beautiful Australian organic nut brown butter. It smells really, really delicious. I'm going to pop that to one side. So we're going to cut through the pastry. I'm just going to lift it out. I'm going to serve some beautiful potatoes and green beans. Absolutely delicious. It smells so good. Really quite moist, flaky pastry. You can taste that smoky bacon, crunchy feel as you go through the pastry. Thank you for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It does help my channel. And I will see you next time. Take care.